Okay, here's the story. Vista Social just released a brand new feature where you can schedule your Facebook stories. Is this the next big hack in 2023? Hey, what's going on, business owners? It's Riley from Vista Social, your agency associate. This is where we help grow your business, but also grow your clients' social media. So before we get started on today's episode, make sure you head over to our YouTube channel, smash that subscribe button, send a like, and drop us a comment. If you want to learn more about Vista Social, book a demo that's linked down below. So creating a Facebook story is just like creating an Instagram story. But the best thing about this is that you can schedule your Facebook story. Facebook stories are getting more popular by the day, especially when you can link the Instagram and Facebook together. If you want to upload a story strictly to Facebook and you're not too sure where to go, look at this. All right, so right now we're at the home screen, or we're at the menu for 92 Social. What you want to do is go in the lower left hand, hit home, and this gives you, it says Reels and Stories. You just want to highlight Stories, press the plus button. Now that we highlighted the story feature, so where we are right now is under Create Story. It gives us text, gives us music, boomerang, or even a selfie. A lot of different features like filters and all that stuff, kind of like what Snapchat has. But let's say if I want to upload this photo, so I highlight this, and it gives me an option. So you have stickers, text, music, effects, draw. You can draw. Hello. Perfect. So yeah, you can hit done. Now it's saved. The next step, if you just want to upload the image and the image itself or the video, you just hit share story. So here's a quick tip when you are posting Facebook stories or even Instagram stories. You want to post anywhere between 2 to 4 stories per post, per series. It gives the audience a little bit more to look at and digest what kind of information or what kind of value you want to give out to your audience. So have that in mind for your agency or even one of your clients that you post heavily on the stories on. So I would definitely suggest using music, add filters, boomerang, all those things, because it gives you the best chance to hit the algorithm, to generate the Facebook algorithm. And if you're wondering, Riley, how do I schedule posts? I've been waiting for an entire video for this. Let's dig in. All right, so let's jump right into Vista Social and highlight a Facebook post. Let's look at the lay of the land. Right now on the left-hand side, we have our agency profiles. We have a couple of our clients' Instagrams and Facebooks and LinkedIn. So let's look at Liberty Eats Facebook page. So we highlighted the Facebook page. Let's go over to our left-hand side, hit create, new post. And now it gives us to where everyone knows the publishing side. So now that we uploaded an image, and where it says publish as image, you hit that, scroll down to publish as story. So let's do a recap. We highlighted the Facebook profile, we uploaded a content, and then we head over to our right-hand side of the screen and highlighted publish as story. Now, all we have to do is either schedule or publish now. You know what? I feel like publishing now. And then make sure that we have everything's on the right day, right time. Publish, and now it's live. And it's that easy. And that is how you schedule a Facebook story on Vista Social. This will cut down your time in half for your clients or for your agency. If you want to learn more about Vista Social, hit the link down below to book a demo. We'll be more than happy to show you around and see if it's best for you and your clients. If you want to learn a little bit more about the Facebook Story Schedule feature, we have a blog. Yes, it's down below. Go on, check that out, and let us know what you think. We'll catch you on the next one.